Hello everybody. I'm on my profile page. So if I click on my picture here, so I see the dashboard, profile, grades, messages, preferences, and also log out if you want. So now I am on a profile. What can we see here? So the badges, which I have already had after completing the assignments of the weeks. Then the courses which I am involved in. So also the edit of profile which I have already submitted. Next, if I want to see my grades, I also can do it here. So the total is 100, and let's go into it, and so I can see that some assignments of it are not completed. It's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay, then also messages if you want to write to somebody, and then let's go to profile again, and here you see, if you click this button, so you will see there some something that you can use: edit profile, preferred language, forum preferences, editor preference, and so on, and link logins, which means that you can just unite some logins of different sites. So let's look through edit profile. We can see how I completed something about myself, where I work, and so on, and also use my picture. And if I don't like it, I can delete it and add a new one, and then just the update profile. But right now I don't want to do it. Everything is okay with it. And also, if we go to dashboard, so here we can see the courses which I have visited and I'm trying to complete. So let's go to profile again, and there is another button, and if we click it, so we will have just more details about it. So again, badges, mobile app, the word code which you can use and download on your mobile app. So private session if is accessible here, also is available here. Privacy and policy, so data request, export of my personal data, which Nelly told that you can use it and export everything that you have done here. So the course profiles and also certificates and discussions. So these are also the badges. So it's really interesting. Okay, so this is my page, and thank you for the opportunity to search what is in it.